imagine pare, one classroom, 50, 60 katao, 60 kabata ang because there is lack of classrooms. For the year 2025, there were 1,700 classrooms slated to be built and delivered before the end of the year.
Saka may budget yun, Sek, ha?
Oo.
Kasi pasok yung sa 2025 budget.
Yes, pasok sa 2025 budget. Pero look, what's going on? Mabuti na lang na nabanggit ni, si Gatchalian, ano?
Si Bam Aquino.
Si Bam Aquino.
Yun sa committee niya.
Si Bam Aquino, sa committee niya on education.
Basic education.
Tinanong niya ang DPWH. Medyo reluctant pa magsagot si Vince kasi wala siyang alam.
Hindi makapaniwala
Sabi niya, totoo ba ito? Siya, bago niya tinagot.
Tama.
Ano naman ito? Siya mismo. Was surprised. He is the secretary now of the Department of Public Works and Highways, and he was even astonished for the data in his hand. Out of 1,700 mga kababayan, only 22 has been finished, 800 is still ongoing, and 800 has not been started.